Right, Nan, which way was it to Chester Pub again?
Well, she would know.
She might. So, Nan?
Yes, Adam?
Nan, I'm Carl. This is Adam.
Oh, right. Yes, of course.
So which way is it to the pub?
My little none of this looks familiar, darling.
None of it?
I think it's because I've took a wrong turning, Craig.
It's Carl.
Oh, yes, how silly of me. Where are we going?
To the Chester Pub. Nan, you know, your favourite pub?
Oh, yes.
Okay, now, is this the right way?
Oh, no, it's back up there.